Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere. And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing and showcasing another Hot Wheels car. And as you can see, this car is called the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. It's number 6 out of 10 in the HWR car set. It's number 64 out of 250 cars for 2023. And it's in the 2023 C case. And as you can see, this is just a US car. And I will open it and be right back. And there's the car. It is a white van with a tiger on it. And the Hot Wheels logo and also a D. And on the back of the van is white. On the bottom it has the Hot Wheels logo and it tells you that it was made in Malaysia. So remember to smash that like and subscribe button. I will see you in another good video with the Justin Sphere. See you later.